Hi, getting ready to go to the Stoneybrook Community Fall Festival Chili Cook-Off. And they're also having a baking contest. So they got a lot of people in the baking contest. So it'll be a fun day of just eating and filling up. So we'll see you down at the Stoneybrook Clubhouse in a little bit. Hi, we've arrived at Stoneybrook Super Chili Cook-Off location. I'm going in to find out where to take my stuff.
Hi, my name is John Jefferson, and here we have the good chili. It's simple. It's red beans, black beans, rice, ground beef, and the kicker to it is it's got a hint, just a hint of chili for those especially who don't like to be overpowered by that chili taste. And it goes scrumptious over rice and with cornbread.
Are you Christine?
I am.
You are? You're the property manager? You helped put this event together?
Of course.
It seems like a lot of fun. Grace? And what did you make here, Grace?
I made cookie caramel layer bars. Cookies and cream.
They look delicious. Crystal? Crystal, and you made?
Apple crisp.
Apple crisp. Is it still warm?
Yeah.
He just helped carry it in.
I opened the cans.
Now, did you tell them you put deer meat in your chili?
What's your name?
Riley. My cake is called pumpkin earthquake cake because it looks like a little earthquake.
I'm Karen Jefferson.
Karen Jefferson, and what did you make? It looks so scrumptious.
This is pineapple pudding cake.
Hi, I'm Liz.
Hi, Liz. Liz, you're Liz?
Stimulus.
Stimulus, and you made?
Caramel apple mini cupcakes.
Looks really good.
Thanks.
So tell me something special about your chili.
It's actually about almost 35 years old that we keep developing through the years.
Okay.
Yes.
So we are doing the amazing chili, and give me your name again and tell me something special about your chili.
Jason Wireman and Nicole Wireman. The unique thing about this chili is the sauce. It's a secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
Makes the whole chili.
And you can't tell us what's in it because it's
After we win, we'll tell you what's in it.
My name's Ryan Katie. My wife, Jessica Katie, came up with the recipe and worked together on this. It has chocolate and brisket. Also has chickpeas, tomatoes, jalapenos, red pepper, and black bean.
Ooh, it's spicy. Whoa.
Tell me something special about the chili.
It's got a little bit of everything in it. It's got beef cubes, pork, ground beef.
Is it hot and spicy?
It's sweet and spicy.
It's got a little sweet to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't like it when it's hot, but this is nice. It's not hot.
So what do you think?
It's good.
Which one did you try?
What is it? Bone chilling?
Bone chili?
So far, I like the 9.
What do you like about it?
Like it's sweet, but it's not like so sweet.
It's almost out.
Getting low.
My chili's getting low.
I love it.
Did you ladies find your favorites?
Oh yeah, I did.
Did you? Yeah? Did you vote?
Not yet, I'm still tasting.
Not till 3 o'clock.
5 more minutes to judge the chili.
Did you guys vote?
Yep, absolutely.
Well, I didn't vote because
Oh, you wish you could have voted for yourself.
Oh, I didn't know that. It's too late.
We voted 5 times for it.
Yeah, she figures she'll break the camera, then she can't take her.
They're going to make an announcement in about 2 minutes for line dancing.
All right.
Stay tuned for line dancing.
A lot of times it's the first and last Wednesday at 6:30 in the community center. Thank you very much. Have a great Fall Fest.
One popcorn, right?
Yep, just the one.
Okay.
Daddy, can I play that game?
Yeah, you could take one of those. If you want something out of there, you can have it.
Oh, she said go ahead.
5,
what do you
6,
say?
Thank
7, 8, 9.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Right.
Which one are you gonna? Are you gonna take a whistle? Oh, there we go.
We are going to announce the dessert winners. First, the grand prize of 25 smackaroonies. Okay, only the grand prize gets the money, but we're going to announce the top 4 pieces, top 3. Okay. For dessert, 3rd place, put your hands together for Grace Kennedy.
What was it?
2nd place, Crystal Kennedy. And our grand prize winner, we would like for you to come on up, and that would be Robin Johnston. Please tell us how you made it. We have a tie for 2nd place. We have Bone Chili, Jay's Chili, and Diane's Chili. And the winner is the Amazing Chili by Jay Wireman.
Where's Jay?
There was never a doubt if you asked Jay. He was talking about it all day yesterday. It was a lock. The mic is extra.
I gotta give credit to my wife. I represented her, but she made the chili. So we will call it Nicole's Chili. All right. Thanks for coming out.
Oh, you got it.
You can take dimes.
Beginning of the Chili Fest, we had a little competition. I won.